Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send XDC from Gemini to Kraken in 2025. XDC, the cryptocurrency from the Shin Fin network, is a popular choice for fast and secure transactions, and transferring it between exchanges like Gemini and Kraken can help you manage your portfolio more effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring assets in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Kraken, and that you've verified your identity on each platform for smooth operations. Security is key, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled to protect your funds. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account and navigate to the Wallet section. Locate your XDC balance and select the Withdrawal option. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, so hop over to Kraken next. On Kraken, go to your deposit page, select XDC, and copy the provided wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one. Always verify to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 2. Back on Gemini, paste the Kraken wallet address into the withdrawal form. Specify the amount of XDC you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees associated with the Shin Fin blockchain. These fees can vary, so aim to transfer during off-peak times to save costs. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction via email or your authenticator app. Step 3. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Kraken account. The transfer should appear in your Kraken wallet within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're all set. But remember, always monitor your transactions and never share your private keys. A quick tip. In 2025, with potential updates to blockchain tech, double-check for any new requirements like enhanced KYC or specific network selections on Gemini. This process is simple, but errors can lead to lost funds, so stay cautious. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.